Guys, I want to tell you what to do if your litter robot is not connecting to the internet. And in my case, it actually kicked my litter robot off of the app. Like there was no longer a registered litter robot on the Whisker app. So one thing you can do is you can press, I think it's the cycle and empty button. That's a hard reset. You can go ahead and try to press the Wi-Fi button, and that turns it off and it turns it white, and then press it again, that turns it back on. You can unplug the machine for 2 to 3 minutes. That's a hard reset as well. But what I had to do is I actually had to call the company, and I had to have them take my litter robot out of the system. I had to provide some information, like you can give them the serial number, that info, and they'll take it out, and they'll take it out and let you put it back in. So that actually worked for me because the app was not letting me it wasn't letting me register the litter robot because it was still in the system, but there was an error with the product itself. So that was the fix for me. Another thing you can do is take the plug out of the wall for 2 to 3 minutes. That's a hard reset on your side. But if it's a Wi-Fi issue where it's trying to connect actually to 5G wireless and not 2.5, it can only connect to 2.5 apparently. Now what you're supposed to do is you're actually supposed to long press this Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds, and the Wi-Fi button is now going to flash yellow. So this is going to now start connecting to the Whisker app and allow you to register the machine kind of all over again like you did in the beginning. And this is what I had to do. I don't know what the bug was, but now it's saying connection successful. It's going to ask if you want to set up your pet's profile and add apps. I did not do that at the moment. Now after that's done, it's going to go ahead and run a cycle. I guess a manual cycle, and the lights will look like this on the top. I just went ahead and let this work. It's magic. And as you can see right down here in the middle, you can actually see the litter. So the litter robot, the good thing about this is you don't need Wi-Fi connection for it to operate safely and effectively for the cat. Like this wasn't working for about a day and a half, but I was checking it, making sure everything was safe. If the cat, you can see our cat right there, if the cat went to use the litter, it's going to turn red and indicating that the cat's in there, and it's going to wait 3 minutes or whatever you set it to, 3 minutes, 7 minutes, until the cat's no longer in there, and go ahead and do a cycle. So it operates without the Wi-Fi, but it was just annoying because I wanted to track our cat's weight and all that. So I would recommend this again, guys, but that's one way that we were able to fix this with the Wi-Fi issue and with having to call tech support, having them take it out of the system, and we had to add it back in ourselves. So guys, I hope this video helped.